Heights. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Radisson Heights, a welcoming neighborhood located in the northeast quadrant of Calgary, Alberta. This area is situated on the banks of the Bow River, offering beautiful views and a tranquil setting. The neighborhood is named after the historic Radisson Hotel, which was once a prominent landmark in the area. Radisson Heights is known for its diverse community with a variety of parks and green spaces that provide ample opportunities for outdoor activities. Radisson Heights offers a mix of residential living and local amenities, including schools, shops, and community centers, making it a great place for families and individuals to call home.
Thank you very much.
Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.